How to fix lag in Roblox. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Roblox easy and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Roblox. As you can see right now, I don't have any lag. So how I did it, all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the top here and click on Roblox settings and go to settings, and now scroll down and make the graphics mode on manual and the graphics quality as low as possible, like this, and then click on resume and it's gonna be working for you, as you can see right here. Now let's test it, and if it's not working for you, all what you have to do is go back to your desktop and go to the task manager like this, go to details, scroll down until you find Roblox, click on your right mouse, go to set priority and choose high. It's very easy and simple, as you can see, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.